Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find the reviews on a product in the Emag app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Emag app and tap on a product. Then below the product name, here you will see that it has 5 stars and 2 reviews. Tap on it. After you tapped on it, you can see the reviews if you scroll down. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.